Welcome to my channel. Your tutor Mariam is here. It's the 31 video of Introductory Physics 1 and 12th video. I'm going to talk about the motion in 2 and 3 dimensions. It's a part 7 of solving the problem about the projectile motion. In this video, I'm going to solve a couple of multiple choice problems. If you are new to Introductory Physics 1 and like to learn more, hit the subscribe button and like for more. You ready? Let's get started. So here I need to find the maximum horizontal range, right? So if I have a path like this, so technically I'm looking for this distance right here, and I need to find the condition for R to its maximum. I've already solved a couple of problems in the previous video about the horizontal range. So by now we already know that R is equal to V squared sine 2 theta divided by G, right? So G is the constant, so I can play with it. V can be any number, so I can say this is the maximum I can go. So the only option I have is playing with theta. And also if you look at your problem here, all your answer is about theta, right? So we already know that theta can be changed from 0 to 180, right? For having the R as a maximum, sine 2 theta should be 1, right? Because the maximum value sine can get is 1. So my sine 2 theta must be 1, right? That means my sine 2 theta is equal to sine 90, right? Because sine 90 is equal to 1. So that's telling me 2 theta should be 90, then my theta is 45, right? So then B gonna be my correct answer. Now let's look at the other example. So here I need to find the maximum height. That means if I have the path like this gonna be my H right here, and I'm looking for the maximum height, right? And we already know that H is equal to V squared sine 2 squared divided by 2G, right? Again, I need to play with sine. For the maximum, sine theta should be 1, right? So sine theta is equal to sine 90, and then my theta is equal to 90, correct? So my final answer gonna be C. Here I'm looking for the minimum horizontal range, right? Let me write down the equation again. So R gonna be V squared sine 2 theta over G, correct? So for having the R as a minimum, sine 2 theta should be 0. So my sine 2 theta must be 0. So here I have two options, because sine 2 theta can be equal to sine 0, right? Because sine 0 is equal to 0. And also sine 2 theta can be equal to sine 180, right? Because sine 180 is also equal to 0. If I go with that, then 2 theta is equal to 0. Then my theta is equal to 0. And then with this part, my 2 theta is equal to 180. And then theta is equal to 90, right? And then if I look at the choices I have here, I only have 90, right? So my answer gonna be C. I hope you find this video helpful for your exam and homeworks. If you like my video, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.